The founder and chairman governing council of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, Professor Abubakar Gwarzo, has commiserated with the managing director of L&Z Integrated Farms Nigeria Limited, Alhaji Muhammad Abubakar Damakka, over the demise of his wife, Barrister Zubaida Damakka. Barrister Zubaida Damakka, who was a former commissioner for the Women Affairs under the first tenure of the immediate past government, Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, died in Abuja after a brief illness on Saturday, the 22nd of July 2023. In a condolence message issued to newsmen in Kano on Sunday, Professor Gwarzo described the death of the former commissioner as a colossal loss. He said the death of Barrister Zubaida was a great loss not only to her beloved husband, parents and relatives, but also to the entire staff of the L&Z Farms. On behalf of the management of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, I wish to extend our condolences to her husband, relatives, friends of the deceased, as well as the staff of L&Z Farms, Professor Gwarzo said in a statement. He prayed to Almighty Allah to forgive the deceased her shortcomings and grant her Jannatul Firdaus. He also prayed that the deceased husband and parents, as well as her relatives, will have the emotional courage to bear the huge loss. The deceased, who left behind her husband and children, had since been buried after funeral rites on Sunday at Gomaja quarters. May her gentle soul rest in perfect peace, and may Jannatul Firdaus be her final abode. Amin.